What's up, you guys? So today we're gonna see how to install Postgres, the latest Postgres on Linux. So go ahead and open up your browser, type in Install Postgres, hit enter, and we're just gonna go with the first link. Sure. Okay, and we're on Ubuntu. So we are using version 2004, the latest version. So we're gonna go ahead and follow these steps. So we need to create this file, and make sure you do sudo, because this is a protected file. So you won't be able to save unless you do sudo. Oh. Okay. Add a line for the repository. Add this here. Save that. Okay, and then we're going to have to paste these commands. Okay. Update. And we wait for this to keep going. So this task is important when you're setting up a server. Maybe you're starting a business and you want to set up your website and hold all of your client, your new lead data or your user data. You would need to set up a you need to set up a Postgres database to save that information. So let's just see what this error is here. Is that an error? Oh, whoa. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay, so I think we're good there. So just reading this documentation. Okay. So we use this apt-get command here. Install the most recent Postgres, Postgres 12. Okay, so we need to do sudo. Sudo. Give it yes. Make this a little bigger for you guys. And again, we wait. We let this do its thing. You can now start the database cluster, database server using this command. Okay, so we'll keep that in mind. pgctl. Okay. And while this installs, let's look at the information here. Okay. Let's check and see how it's going. Okay, so it looks like we're done. So let's go ahead and start. Let's grab this little command here. Let's do that. Alright, and let's just follow its recommendation. Use systemctl instead of pgctl cluster. Alright. pgctl status. No. Okay, so now so I ran this command. Now I just want to confirm that it's running. So here we saw that it's down. Hopefully we want to get this information and we want to see that it's up. So I'm just looking for the command to see that. pg ls clusters. ls clusters. Okay, so we got it's online. Alright, so it looks like we're running. And now let's just do a little hello world with, wait, let's see if we can get in there. pSQL user Postgres. So the problem is we need to, there's no role Jeff. So that will be your name or whatever your role you assigned you started with on Ubuntu. So we need to enter the Postgres user, which is the default user for Postgres. So let's see if we can, let's see, Postgres getting started. And we want to go with the official documentation. Alright, let's go with this one. Installation. So we did that. So good. Let's try and get this. So our goal here is just to get, do a little hello world to see that this thing is actually working correctly. So just looking through here. Create a database. That's what we want to do. Okay. Let's see here. I don't believe this is going to work because we're not logged in. Let's just double check. Create DB. MyDB. Yeah, so we're currently logged into this role Jeff. So we need to log into the Postgres user. So we have to figure out how to do that. Alright, so this is the error we're getting right here. So this is the issue we have. So go ahead and reading this. Okay, so we did not create a Postgres user account. So Postgres user, login Postgres user. So let's try pSQL user Postgres. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's search this error and see how we can fix that. So I'm just dropping this into Google, and opening up the first link. I just found the exact error and I'm just dropping in the link. Okay. Okay, so we need to log in. Okay, let's try that. So we needed to log in as the Postgres user, sudo u Postgres psql. Let's try this. Alright, there we go. Cool. Alright, now let's just create a sample database and we are all set here. Psql list database. List databases. Okay, so \L. Okay, there we go. So we got the Postgres database. Let's see. We can list the tables, DT. Alright, so create. Alright, Postgres. Let's create a table. Create table. Create table. Okay. Create table test. Nope, that didn't work. Create table films. Okay, let's do this. Let's just create this films table. We're going to list the tables. There we go. We have created a table. Alright guys, that's how you install Postgres on Ubuntu. So the key sticking point here was logging in as the Postgres user. So by default, Postgres creates a Postgres, the initial default database is called Postgres, and so you need to log in as the Postgres user. And you do that by using sudo u Postgres, and then you type psql. And that's how you log in. So that's all guys. Alright, have a good day.